Top 15 Best Foods for Eating Healthy. The video for today is about best foods you can consume daily to maintain a healthy lifestyle. 1. Yogurt. It's also rich in calcium, which helps stave off osteoporosis. Just 1 cup of yogurt provides nearly half the recommended daily value of calcium and is rich in phosphorus, potassium, zinc, riboflavin, vitamin B12 and protein. Yogurt contains good bacteria that help maintain gut health and diminish the incidence of age-related intestinal illness. 2. Avocado. Avocados are a great source of vitamin C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium. They also provide lutein, beta-carotene, and omega-3 fatty acids. Avocado contain more potassium than bananas. Eating avocados can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. 3. Oranges. Orange is an excellent source of vitamin C, and also high in fiber and folate. Vitamin C is critical for producing white blood cells and antibodies that fight off infections. It's also a powerful antioxidant that helps defend cells from free radical damage and plays a key role in producing skin-firming collagen. 4. Eggs. Egg is a source of high-quality protein. A recent study found that when people ate a scrambled egg and toast breakfast, they felt more satisfied, and ate less at lunch, than when they ate a bagel that supplied the same number of calories another day. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that help keep eyes healthy. In fact, mounting research links lutein and zeaxanthin with reduced risk for age-related macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in people over 50. 5. Berries. Every berry is always a great source of fiber, a nutrient that most people don't get enough of and one that is important for a healthy digestive system. Fiber may help to promote weight loss. Raspberries boast the most at 8 grams per cup, and also contain ellagic acid, a compound with anti-cancer properties. The same amount of blueberries has half the fiber, 4 grams, but is packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that may help keep memory sharp as you age. A cup of strawberries contains 3 grams of fiber, but more than a full day's recommended dose of skin-firming vitamin C. 6. Nuts. Nuts are rich sources of heart-healthy unsaturated fats. Studies have shown that those who eat nuts add, on average, an extra 2.5 years to their lives. Walnuts may be the spotlight stealers, though, with their high level of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that's been linked to heart health and improved mood. Walnuts may be the spotlight stealers, though, with their high level of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that's been linked to heart health and improved mood. 7. Spinach. Spinach is teeming with important nutrients, vitamins A, C and K, as well as some fiber, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium and vitamin E. Spinach is an easy, delicious and good source of folate, a water-soluble B vitamin that helps produce DNA and form healthy new cells, making it especially important for mothers-to-be. A cup boasts 15% of the recommended daily intake. 8. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is loaded with nutrients that can positively affect your health. Made from the seed of the cocoa tree, it is one of the best sources of antioxidants on the planet. Dark chocolates may help to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Could also improve brain function. 9. Beans. Beans are a good plant-based source of iron, a mineral that transports oxygen from your lungs to the cells in your body. Beans also boast fiber. A half cup of cooked navy beans packs a whopping 7 grams of fiber. This fiber is the soluble kind that benefits blood cholesterol levels. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contains alpha and beta-carotene. The body converts these compounds into the active form of vitamin A, which helps keep your eyes, bones and immune system healthy. One medium sweet potato provides nearly 4 times the recommended daily value of vitamin A, plus some vitamin C and B6, potassium, manganese and lutein and zeaxanthin, making it one of the most nutritious vegetables in the land. 11. Broccoli. It delivers a healthy dose of sulforaphane, a type of isothiocyanate that is thought to thwart cancer by helping to stimulate the body's detoxifying enzymes. 12. Tea. Tea is rich in a class of antioxidants called flavonoids. Regardless of the variety of tea you choose, maximize the power of its flavonoids by drinking it freshly brewed. Studies show if you drink tea regularly, you may reduce your risk of Alzheimer's, diabetes and some cancers, plus have healthier teeth and gums and stronger bones. 13. Lotus. Lotus seeds also contain camphorol, a natural flavonoid that prevents inflammation and aging. Their low sodium and high magnesium content make them for those suffering from heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure and obesity. Lotus seeds is helpful in stopping chronic diarrhea as it contains a high amount of astringent properties and also consumed to improve appetite. Also, people who are suffering from constipation should avoid it. By consuming 100 grams of lotus seed, one would get 350 calories and there is around 63 to 68 grams carbohydrate, 17 to 18 grams of protein, and only 1.9-2.5 grams fat. The remainder is water, about 13%, and minerals, mainly sodium, potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. 14. Almonds. Almonds are loaded with antioxidants and are high in vitamin E. It can also assist with blood sugar control. Almonds can lower cholesterol levels. And eating almonds reduces hunger, lowering your overall calorie intake. 15. Apple cider vinegar. Drinking unfiltered apple cider vinegar can help lower blood sugar levels. By its very nature, ACV can regulate healthy blood sugar levels in the body, which is great for those with type 2 diabetes. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please click the link below to subscribe.